What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to download, sign up and watch Gotv on your mobile phone. Now this works for both Android and iOS devices, so I encourage that you follow the steps carefully and it will work pretty well for you. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to the App Store of your mobile phone. So if you're using an iOS device, you want to go over to the App Store, and if you're using an Android phone, just go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Open it up, and on the search bar, you just want to go ahead and search for Gotv, like so. You can see the Gotv app over here. Now, one thing you have to notice is that there are actually two Gotv apps. There is the My Gotv app, which is actually a customer service app, and it is not the app you're going to be using in this particular video. So you just want to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see the Gotv Stream app over here. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to click on it, and then go ahead and download the Gotv Stream app. Now, once the app is downloaded and installed into your phone, you want to go ahead and open it directly from here, like so. And you just want to go ahead and give it the permission to send notifications to your phone. And now you'll be presented with the login page of the application. Now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your phone number or your email and then your password to log into the app. But if you do not have an account, what you just want to go ahead and do is to click on create a multi-choice ID over here. Now, you can just click on create a multi-choice ID like so, and you'll be expected to enter your email. So I can just go ahead and enter my email, and then you want to go ahead and select your country, obviously Nigeria. So I'll just select Nigeria. And then you also want to enter your phone number. So I'm just going to enter my phone number like so. And then on the create password page, you just want to go ahead and enter any password that you can actually remember. Now, when you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the create multi-choice ID over here. Now, on the next page, you'll be expected to enter your smart card number or your customer ID. Now, if you do not know what your smart card number is, it is actually the 10-digit number at the back of your decoder. So you can just go ahead and check the smart card number and then enter it here, because whatever subscription that is on your smart card number is what is going to be used in the subscription on your Gotv app. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to enter your smart card number. I basically will be skipping this option because I don't want to enter my smart card number over here. Now, mind you, the reason why you're seeing DSTV over here is basically because both DSTV and Gotv are both covered under the umbrella of MultiChoice. So you can also still use your account on DSTV to actually log into your account over here. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to enter your smart card number and then click on find my DSTV package. And once you click on find my DSTV package, you'll be logged into your account. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to skip this option and click on not now, just like so. And now the Gotv app is going to reload on your mobile phone, and then I can now log into this particular profile just like so. And you can see basically that I do not have any channels here, and the reason is basically because I did not enter my smart card number. But if you entered your smart card number, then you should probably see all of the channels that are available on the Gotv Stream app on your mobile phone. So you can go over to this place and find all of the apps that are available here, and also watch Gotv for free in this particular platform. Trust me, this works 100% of the time. So I encourage that you go ahead and try it, and trust me, it is going to work very well for you. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.